Hi. Because of the rains, my garden banana, mostly the trees were affected and fallen, and there is no option but to cut them off. Uh, so, if my small garden is affected so much, what will be the farmer situation, especially paddy, wheat, brinjal, tomato, and rootable vegetables like potato, ginger, and turmeric. Everything, a lot of pain they'll be facing. It is third day and it is still raining. Cyclone, according to the weather report, it's near to Hyderabad, 50 kilometers to Hyderabad now, but it is still raining in Vishakhapatnam, maybe because of the seashore. So I feel like I know like this can be restored back. Hardly another 2 months my garden will be back, but the people who are making a living, farmers, out of this, what will be the situation of them? So this Saturday I'm going to set out to the villages nearby in Vishakhapatnam district and see what I can do. And what I feel is there are no enough depots or food storage units where fresh vegetables can be stored. There is no cold storage facilities, as I know. Nobody buys them too. So it's only if they are stored in plastic bags out from wet, and it can be stored in immediate market. If it is traveled and transported, then it can be survived. And so I'm setting out this Saturday with some plastic bags to give to the farmers to store their production. And if possible, and if everyone supports, we can buy them too and donate to orphanages, or if you want to sell it, if everyone comes together, we can sell it for the sake of farmers to the more people. So this Saturday it's a set out to save farmers from this crisis, and Sunday it will be a distribution date to orphanages, old age homes, and even cooked food to the people who are living on streets. If everyone supports, we can do it. So who all can join me physically, and who cannot join physically, they can support me with my WhatsApp number, phone pay, 8285266246. People who know me, please, I am expecting some support from you so that I can make this a good cause. I'm not asking for anything else, or people who know me better. So till what I have done all alone, striving for farmers. So what the pain which I am feeling for these plants is very much small when coming to the pain like 1 acre, 2 acres, and they don't have living for another 2 months. The plant has to come up again, they have to get the yield at least 2 months for any crop. The land should also get again treated properly, become dry, not full of water, and the government compensations. Lot of issues are there in farming. So this Saturday, let me see how many will join. Definitely I am not going to be in city, I'll be in outskirts with the farmers. See you.